everyone, my name is Abigail. I'm from Botany Studio. We are a florist that teaches floral arrangement workshops and style for events. Today I'm at BoConcept showroom and we're going to do a simple tutorial on how to create a table garland. This garland will just be in time for Christmas, so you can style your home for your festive dinners and just create some festive mood in your house. So for the table garland, we are using some Christmas seasonal greens and berries. We are actually using conifer leaves, seeded eucalyptus, some ilex berries, as well as eucalyptus nuts, etc. And they are all displayed beautifully in BoConcept's vases. You can find them at the Paragon store. For this garland, you will need some simple equipment such as florist scissors, a brown string, any kind of string will do, 22 gauge wire, and some glue. Just cut a piece of brown string to the length of the garland and attach the size 22 florist wire to one end of the string. Lay the bundle on top of the string and twist the wire around the bundle 3 to 4 times. Make bundles of the same size, overlapping the previous bundle and wrapping with the wire. Add more greens individually to fill in any gaps. Cut the wire and the string and glue on orange slices and pine cones. Spritz your garland with water and keep out of direct sunlight for it to last longer. You can place the garland on your dining or coffee tables. Your table garland should last around 3 weeks, but it will also dry up nicely. So that's how you make a table garland. I hope that you've learned something new today to style your home for your festive gatherings. You can also join us at Botany Studio for our Christmas workshops. So till then, blessed Christmas everyone!